This is Paul Sanneman from Contractor Staffing Source. I'm talking to one of our clients, Nick. Hey, Nick, can you tell me what your business does and sort of what your capacity is with them?
Hey, Nick with Just Screw It here. I appreciate your time. We are a maintenance division out here in Denver, Colorado. We specialize in rehabs and turns for property management and other commercial businesses like that. I use Contractor Staffing Source to hire not only admin staff, but to provide field technicians to the community. Um, that's just a little bit of what we do and what we're using Contractor Staffing Source for. Um, there is so much valuable data there. It is very rich. Um, some would say too much data, but I'm not going to say that. I love the testing. I love the results. I love how quick the team is to respond to any questions.
Okay, and you've hired several employees through us, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me how that's worked out and how they've worked out?
Um, so we've had a little touch and go with some of the staff. Um, they didn't live up to their resumes, and so that's okay. It's been a lot easier to hire with Contractor Staffing Source. I love the one-way video interviews. I love the behavioral tests. That kind of weeds out even more. As far as the admin, we've got a great admin that's on board with us, and it seems to be really working well as a pipeline for us to find new talent. Um, we're, like you said, we've got some good staff out of it so far. Um,
Yeah, and how many employees do you have?
we are under 10. We're at 9 employees.
Okay. And would you recommend Contractor Staffing Source for other contractors and why?
Yes, I actually have already recommended a couple. Um, I think the reason for my recommendation is the transparency. I believe that doing this on my own has been a nightmare, and this has provided such a streamlined operation. It's I've basically hired an entire team of a whole new division for our company, and it's really changed our day-to-day operations. Um, the staff is amazing. The pipeline's quick and easy to understand, and I've got a lot of really good reasons why you should use Contractor Staffing Source.
Cool. Well, thank you, Nick. I appreciate your review and um, hopefully people will be listening to this and if they need, there's a lot of people consider themselves too small, but even though you're a small company, you find this saves you time, right?
Yes, we are considered a smaller company. Absolutely, I was a little nervous to get on board, but it's a decision I should have made years ago. And yeah, if you're not using Contractor Staffing Source, you're really hurting you and your team, even if you are very small.
Okay. Thanks, Nick. I appreciate that support.
Thanks, Paul. I appreciate your time.